Oh my god, that was so much fun. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Purnana and today I am going to travel to Yelagiri. Yelagiri is a small hill station in Tamil Nadu, and this is going to be a very special holiday for me because this is the first time that I'm going to travel with a big group of people. This is also going to be my first travel vlog. I have decided to document my travel experiences as well along with my singing videos. It's 6:30 in the morning and I'm very excited, as you can see. Stay tuned. Hi, we have just crossed the first toll gate. We still have 2 hours 20 minutes to reach our destination. The journey has been good so far. We are how many people? 5 of us. Hi, those are my friends. Hello. He's driving. Okay.
Subscribe to my more guys.
That's Talia. We have stopped here for coffee. Did you have coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have some coffee. This is the place. Hello. Selfie. Who else loves Pulse? Good morning. We arrived at Yelagiri yesterday after about a drive of 4 to 5 hours, and we are staying at a beautiful resort. It's full of greenery. I'll show you around in a bit, but right now we are going for breakfast and then we'll go and we have some plans. I'll let you know. Who else loves swinging? So after having a scrumptious meal, we have come to a park and there are a couple of exciting activities planned out. So I'm quite excited. And usually I don't have puri, but today I tried it because it looked so good and I'm not regretting it. I just loved it. Initially we were struggling to find a place to have breakfast, but we came across a very nice place. So we have come to Pugalur Park, which is so colorful. I can see a lake out there and I'm already excited. I think we are going to try boating today. Let's go. So I had to pay 50 rupees for my camera, and if you want to go for boating, for paddling you would need to pay 50 rupees per person, otherwise it's 70 rupees per person. I think I'm going to try boating now, and there's also a walking trail so you can walk around the lake, and the way is quite beautiful because it's covered with trees. Excited! Oh my god, that was so much fun. I paddled and I'm quite tired. I think we all are exhausted, right?
Subscribe to May guys.
Mango ice cream. I think after such a hard cardio, you deserve to have an ice cream, right? I think I'm breaking a lot of rules today. I had puri in the morning, now I'm having an ice cream. So, cheers. Dude, I'm gonna try it and I'm so excited. Guys, I want it.
How was your experience? What a fellow musician.
So that was a lot of fun. So right now we are going to check Yelagiri Herbal Gardens. So let's check what's there. The use of each plant. So inside it was just an exhibition, but in this section you can buy plants. If you are a gardener or love plants, this is the place to be. Quite an afternoon. In the morning, although we had decided to go on a trek, that got cancelled because apparently we were told that it was quite far and we had children in our group, so we decided to go to the lake. And as you have all seen, we took few rides also, and by the end of it we were so exhausted and tired. However, we are back now. I've got freshened up. The boys are playing cricket. I think you can't see that. This is so relaxing. It really looks like a hideout actually. Oh, hello. Hi guys, I'm back in my room. It's 12 in the night. What a day. We had so much fun, but I'm so tired and exhausted now. Because you can imagine we had so many activities and well, I could not record everything towards the evening, but we played musical chair and other fun games, and we went to have dinner, and we are leaving this place tomorrow morning. Good morning, it's 8 in the morning and we are ready to leave Yelagiri, but the weather is so stunning. Just have a look. Looks like it's going to rain. Hi, time to leave. We are leaving the resort. We have stopped by to have lunch right now, and we have stopped by at a place called Star Biryani to try the famous Ambur Biryani. Ambur Biryani is one of the most famous South Indian biryani recipes, and it emerged during the regime of Nawab of Arcats. So I'm quite excited to try it. Let's go inside. So on your way to Yelagiri or even Bangalore, or from Bangalore to Chennai, or from Yelagiri to Chennai, you must try this biryani. It's really, really tasty and scrumptious.
ये इधर का बहुत फेमस स्वीट है। ये अंडे से बनाते हैं हम लोग।
अंडे से बनाते हैं?
जी
Okay.
सिर्फ अंडा दूध शक्कर घी डाल के बनाते हैं इसमें ऑटो ऑयल प्रिजर्वेटिव कुछ भी नहीं रहता
Okay. So this is a sweet made of eggs, ghee, and sugar and milk. Sorry. Okay. So they have been making this for the last 50 years. This looks so tasty. Let's dig in. Very good.